Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on the dollar, gold, and miners. So the dollar formed a bearish reversal candlestick on Friday, a big upper wick of profit taking, and a close at the low of the day. That is a shooting star candlestick. So we're still watching this higher low pattern, which has been very clear. A couple days of consolidation, higher high, higher low, higher high. So as long as this consolidation holds a higher low compared to 93.26, it keeps that uptrend intact. And our new resistance is the high of today, or yesterday, which was 94.27. And the next resistance I'm looking at is 94.29, up in that area as well. So Monday is going to be pretty important as to whether or not, well, actually even Monday might not be the day, but even if we pull back Monday, it's just all about the support level of 93.26. If that breaks, we're going to look for the weekly chart to begin to consolidate. And we're keeping an eye out for that after 4 green weeks in a row. We haven't seen more than 4 green weeks in a row in a very long time. And it was really back here in June of 2016, so over a year since that has happened. It's possible, but we are looking for a lower, or for a top on the weekly time frame, a pullback, and then a higher low to form. And then from there, the bulls will look for a higher high to show further follow through in this momentum on this reversal on the weekly time frame. But to go just straight from the low and continue to shoot up in a V-shaped recovery is not as likely to occur. So on the daily time frame, if we lose that higher low pattern, that's the indication that the weekly time frame will begin to look for some consolidation as well. So gold is trying to turn things around with a big bullish reversal candlestick. We saw a significant momentum shift on Friday start to favor those bull miners, and it happened with a V-shaped recovery on the hourly time frame for gold, and just a complete turnaround and a break of resistance on big bull volume. And we ended the day strong with a bull break of the inside bar on the hourly and a close at the high of the day. So a big-time bullish reversal candlestick. The bulls need another green day and ideally a break of 1282 to confirm it and see a bullish MACD cross try and follow through. And we will be looking for gold to see a reversal on the weekly time frame. We pulled back. That's a bullish reversal hammer now forming, and need to confirm it next week with another green candlestick. But that shift in momentum at the end of the day, or I should say it was really in the middle of the day, is a reason to get into the bull miners, and you can place a stop loss level at the low of Friday as an exit point. So for GDX, we have a higher low and a higher high. You can see the bulls maintain support, moving average support, and then we set the higher high when we broke 23.46. So a stop loss would be either below $23 or, for more wiggle room, 22.81. The bulls are in full control in the short term. They just have to keep continuing higher lows and higher highs to turn things around. Nice big bull volume. You can see the past 5 days, the volume is very clearly favoring the bulls. And the next resistance after the middle Bollinger Band is up at 23.87 and 24.20. And we'll see if the bulls can make their way towards those levels this coming week. Bullish reversal candlestick, and you can see it's much more of a bullish candlestick on these miners than it is on gold. So it looks like there were people buying into these miners a bit before gold was showing its real strength. So a bullish reversal candlestick here and a close up at the high. The bulls will look to confirm this next week and continue their strong trend. We broke the long-term, drawn-out consolidation pattern that lasted about 8 months, and now we're looking for higher lows and higher highs. GDXJ, same thing, higher low and a higher high in the short term. Bullish MACD cross is closing in. After these moving averages, we're looking at 35.09. Those moving averages don't mean much to me, as it's really... well, they mean more than the 3 times ETF of JNUG and NUGT and things like that, just because there's no time decay right now to be dealing with in GDX and GDXJ. So I always make note of these moving averages, but for me, it's always the previous price levels that hold the most weight. So 34.72 and 35.09 are the next GDXJ resistances to be watching. And the weekly time frame, same thing, holding some moving average supports. Look at this 100-week moving average. It has been a gift for the GDXJ bulls. We held it back here in 2016 We held it again 2 times in May. We held it again 2 times in July. We held it again in August. And here we are holding it again. The low of the week, 33.22. That level was 33.19. We bounced right above that level, and now we're looking to continue this trend. So we don't even need to draw an uptrend line here on the weekly time frame. The 100-week moving average is doing that for us. So need to confirm this candlestick with a strong close at the high of the week to end the week. And it's all about that daily uptrend on the dollar. See that break, and the gold bulls should see some nice follow through. So I appreciate you watching. The shift is on back to the bulls. Need to protect our trades with some stop losses, and we'll see if the dollar chart on the weekly time frame begins to pull back. I appreciate you watching and hope you have a good weekend.